I'm so glad to see you folks. You don't even know. This is my carving shirt, and today we're going to do a giveaway for not just one study stick, but 3. Okay, today we have Santa's Harold Inlow Master Carver study stick to take a look at. And yeah, we're going to open this up. We're going to go through it, take a look at what it has available, see what we can learn just from looking at it, and see what it can tell us, because Harold Inlow made a lot of these, and they're really fun, and I'm having fun going through them with you guys, and I hope you guys are too. So let's flip the camera around and take a look at this thing, see what the booklet can tell us, see what we can learn from it, right? Let's do it. Okay, the Harold Inlow Master Carver study stick. Learn to carve Santas. And the Santas he carves in this, I mean, they are absolutely fantastic. I love the Harold Inlow study sticks. I really do. I think they're wonderful. So we should have a study stick, and we should have a booklet. And that's all that's in there. And let's take a look at this. Holy cow. Look at the brow line he gets in there. Look how deep that brow line is, and how deep the eye sockets are. That is fantastic. Santa in Stages, Harold Inlow, 2019, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is a really great work. I like the way he starts to do the texturing to the hat, and it looks like he's using a gouge and then flicking it out. So he starts to gouge in, and it's got a flat side, it's got a scoop and then a flat side. So he's scooping it in and then flicking it out, looks like. And you can see he took a gouge to build that brow line. And he just got a slit across there for the kind of half-closed eyes. That's pretty neat. I like that. That is really neat. Okay, let's take a look at the booklet here. Let's take a look at the booklet and see what all this can tell us. Harold Inlow's Whittling and Carving Tips, Learn to Carve Santas. Read the introduction right here. Okay. Learn to carve Santas. Santa is one of the best loved and most popular carving subjects. The classic Coca-Cola Santa, based loosely on cartoonist Thomas Nash's drawings, has inspired generations of carvers. This Santa is a mixture of realistic features with a few exaggerated features that pay homage to the classic poem A Visit from St. Nicholas. After you master the basic techniques of carving the Santa, you can adapt the features and elements to create your own unique St. Nick. Most of the facial features that make this Santa look kind and jolly can also be adapted to other carvings where you want to illustrate those feelings. Tip: carving eyes. Carve the Santa's right eye, the left eye, as you look at it first. That way you can see the eye to match it as you carve the Santa's left eye. The Santa's right eye, the left eye as you look at it, so this eye here, I get that because this eye is going to be hidden if you're carving it. But when you're carving this one, that one, if you're right-handed, you'll be able to see it easily. So reverse that, I guess, if you're left-handed. But yeah, that's fantastic work. And just like his other things, he goes over the tools that you need. I have listed the tools you use for the carvings, and he shows step by step what he does and how he does it, how he pencils things in. I've carved a lot of Santas, especially this past year in preparation for a fall festival. But his Santas, they look a lot better than mine, and they look a lot jollier. I have trouble getting the cheeks and the mustache the way I want them. My cheeks wind up being far too high on Santas I do, and so they go up here, and then the mustache looks kind of weird going up as high as it does. But he's keeping those cheeks in line with the nose, and that's what I need to practice on. That's what I need to work on whenever I'm making Santas, and having this as an example could really help out. And I like the way he's doing this nose. That's a very realistic nose rather than the just big bulbous ones you see some folks do. I like that. And he's doing it a flat plane there, and there's kind of 45ing it on the sides there a little bit. I can do that. I can do this. That's fantastic. I can replicate that, I think. That's wonderful. And look at that hair. Look at how alive that hair is. Yeah, I like his work. Harold Inlow is a fantastic teacher and carver. All right, separate the nose from the cheeks using a 3/8 number 3 gouge. He uses a 3/8 number 3 gouge a lot in most of these books. I keep seeing, and there's a 3/8 number 9 gouge he's using for the eyes. Something to keep in mind. A 3/8 number 3, 3/8 number 3, a 3mm Vayner, a 3/8 number 9, 3/8 number 9, a V-tool, stab up and in with an even smaller gouge to carve the pupil. Stab up and in. So that's why he's carving the pupil out. Carve the pupil, stab up and in with an even smaller gouge, and free the chip with a detail knife. So he's just stabbing in there to do that hole on the eyes. That's amazing. I don't see that hole on these ones. I think that he did different runs, from what I understand, of study sticks, and not all of them match the book exactly. This one doesn't match the book exactly, but it's still a fantastic reference. Yeah, it doesn't match the book exactly. Like, this is not the same carving here to here, but I still think I can get a lot out of this. Yeah, because look at those pupils here versus the study stick. It's not an exact match, but still significant. And I would have known how to do those pupils if I hadn't seen that in that other page. That is really, really nice. I like that. Yeah. Yeah, that's a different kind of Santa. But this is the Santa that came with it. I like both of them. I really do. But yes, so that's where we're at with the Learn to Carve Santa's study stick. Definitely a great resource if you're looking to get better with Santa Claus in particular, because if you're a wood carver, you know that Santa is a staple for everything that you do. Everyone's wanting to get a Santa Claus when it comes time for Christmas season, end of the year. And having Santa's ready to go, well, that's the moneymaker for wood carvers, right? So, yeah, that's where we're at. All right, and that's a brief overview of the Harold Inlow Santa Claus Master Carver Study Stick, which is actually a fantastic resource. Again, I really like all of his study sticks. So if you're looking at getting them, I highly suggest them. But like when you're looking to get better at wood carving, that's the whole shtick I'm doing. I like to get better at wood carving, and study sticks are absolutely something you can get your hands on. And if you're a tactile learner, having it in your hands to feel and look at while you're trying to figure out how to do something, this is something you can do. Outside of that, outside of study sticks, you can do the same thing with items from Hobby Lobby or the dollar store. If you see a little figurine, grab that if you want to carve it and hold it in your hand, and they call it a go-by. It's your go-by for what you're trying to carve, so it's another thing you can do as well. I told you today we're doing a giveaway. I want to give away 3 study sticks, the ones we've done from the past videos. I wanted to give these away in the last videos, but I can't always afford to pay shipping for those. So we're going to do 3 today to 3 different people. Here's how you enter. I want you to comment down below, and I want you to comment on each of the 3 videos. So if you want to win this study stick, go back to this video and comment there. If you want to win this study stick, go back to that video and comment there. And if you want to win the Santa study stick, you comment on this video. On each of the videos, say 3 is a charm. And that's the comment to say. And yeah, I'm going to pick 3 different winners, not the same winner, 3 different winners in the comments. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment on each of the 3 videos for whichever one you want. And I'll pick a random winner out of each comment section, and we will go ahead and give each of these sticks out to 3 different people, and I'll pay shipping as long as you're in the continental United States. Again, that's the continental United States. If you're willing to pay shipping yourself and you're international, I will get a hold of you. If you want to pay shipping, we can ship it to you. If not, I'm going to find somebody else who's inside the States, because I'm paying for shipping, okay? And that costs me money, which is why I had to wait to do the giveaway that I want to do with the videos to do it now, because now I can afford to right now do the shipping on all 3 of them separately to someone in the States. So that's where we're at. I really appreciate your time, folks. So much. Thank you so much for watching these videos and for caring and for commenting and liking and subscribing. It really means a lot to me. I will see you next time. Don't forget to head over to Instagram or Facebook. Give me a follow over there. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. And outside of that, I'll see you next time. Oh, this is my carving shirt. If you like these shirts, head over to the website and buy one today.